In CADprofi architectural it is possible to draw single and multi-layered walls. This command includes various types of walls grouped by material or purpose. During the wall drawing, it is possible to select the edge of drawing. It is also possible to draw walls with an offset. During insertion of windows and doors, CADprofi program automatically detects the wall thickness, Additionally, in case of doors it is possible to choose the side placement in accordance to the wall, for example outdoor or indoor. CADprofi architectural allows to automatically define the room boundaries. When defining rooms it is possible to automatically number them and to specify many parameters. CADprofi architectural has a generator that allows to automatically draw the stairs with selected parameters. CADprofi architectural has got a rich library of furniture and equipment. For example, sanitary objects, household appliances, plants and many more. A unique program feature is the ability to design evacuation and fire safety plans. A library of symbols and signs, that were prepared in accordance with both national and international standards, is available in the program. Program has a convenient specification creator. One type of specification is specification of rooms, which can be exported to a spreadsheet and afterwards it is possible to perform calculations. Program has an additional command that facilitates and accelerates the building dimensioning. Dimension style can be freely adjusted according to the designer needs. Roofs command allows to quickly insert to the drawing the selected type of roof with user-specified dimensions. Inserted roofs can be freely edited. You can find more videos on CADprofi.com.